We have employee database. Now we will have to provide increment and capture revised salary. Current salary and increment percent is captured. Let us request ChatGPT to give formula to compute revised salary, and my instruction to ChatGPT is: help me with Excel formula for providing appraisal of employee. Employee current salary is mentioned in C6 and increment percent is mentioned in F6. Now just copy the formula and paste it G6 and copy the same to below employees also. You can also cross-check by giving formula as C6 multiplied by F6 and then add C6 plus H6. You can see I6 will be equivalent to G6.